If you thought 8K was the ceiling for 360 cameras, think again. The leaks are completely locked in. The Creator Summit invites are out for October 2026, and the Insta360 X6 is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the creator market. We're talking dual 1-inch class sensors, 12K resolution stitching, and a direct challenge to the DJI Osmo 360. Is this finally the 360 camera that replaces your second traditional body? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a travel vlogger, an action sports junkie, or an FPV pilot, you know how fast the 360 camera space moves. DJI shook up the table last year, but Insta360 has been quietly cooking up a monster response. Today, we are breaking down everything leaked about the brand new Insta360 X6, the hardware, the price, the sensor leaps, and whether it completely demolishes the competition. Let's dive straight into the tech. First things first, when can you buy it, and what's the damage to your bank account? Insta360 is officially pulling the wraps off the X6 this October 2026 at their annual Creator Summit, timed right for the autumn creator push. As for pricing, performance costs money. Standalone X6, $599. X6 Creator Kit, $749. That represents a modest $50 price bump over the previous generation. But when you look at the physical and internal engineering overhaul packed into this body, that extra $50 is practically a bargain. 1. Dual 1-inch class sensors and 12K resolution. The Holy Grail is finally here. Upgraded from smaller predecessors, the X6 packs dual 1-inch class sensors capable of capturing breathtaking 12K 30 frames per second 360 video and crystal clear 8K 60 frames per second HDR footage. This isn't just a 360 cam anymore. It's a mobile production studio. 2. PureShot AI low-light revolution. Low-light performance has historically been 360 videos Achilles' heel. Powered by a new dedicated AI chip running PureShot AI denoising, the X6 delivers 2x better low-light performance than the X5, effectively turning dark alleys and sunset shoots into usable cinematic gold. 3. FlowState 4.0 and 360 Horizon Lock 2.0. Gimbal-level smoothness reaches a new plateau. FlowState 4.0 combined with next-gen Horizon Lock 2.0 means you can violently run, mountain bike, or ski, and your final reframe video looks like it was locked onto a motorized cinema crane. 4. 150-minute battery plus Wi-Fi 7-speed. Battery anxiety is officially cured. You get up to 150 minutes of continuous runtime on a swappable battery that supports hyper-fast charging. Plus, with Wi-Fi 7 integration, file transfers and live phone previews happen instantaneously with zero stutter. 5. AI Shot Reframing 2.0 and 4K single-lens mode. Editing 360 video used to be a chore. AI Shot Reframing 2.0 tracks your subjects automatically, cutting out the keyframing grunt work. And when you want traditional action cam footage, it flips effortlessly into a true 4K single-lens mode. How does it stack up against its biggest rival, the DJI Osmo 360? While DJI boasts an incredible, tightly integrated mounting ecosystem, the Insta360 X6 comfortably beats it where it counts. Raw pixel resolution, sensor size, and low-light dynamic range. 3 reasons to buy X6 over Osmo 360. Massive dual 1-inch class sensors deliver superior 12K and 8K HDR resolution. PureShot AI provides class-leading low-light performance that crushes competitors. Industry-standard software ecosystem with vastly superior AI, reframing, and desktop plugins. 2 reasons to wait for Osmo 360 Gen 2. You are already heavily locked into DJI's mic and multi-device mounting ecosystem. You prefer DJI's specific color science straight out of the box. If you're shooting on an X3 or older, the jump is night and day. If you have an X5, the 1-inch sensor jump and 12K resolution make it a very tempting upgrade for professional workflows. The Insta360 X6 isn't just an iterative update. It's the moment 360-degree capture officially crosses the threshold into true professional cinema territory. By marrying massive sensors with intelligent AI software, Insta360 has built a device that genuinely can replace a second traditional camera body on a professional shoot. Team Insta360 or Team DJI? Comment below. Which one would you buy? Hit subscribe for the full field test when it drops, and we'll catch you in the next one.